Welcome to Art of. Today, we will enhance this shot by replacing the sky and transforming it into a cinematic masterpiece. Ready? Let's go! First, we'll duplicate the background layer. Then go to Edit and pick Sky Replacement. In the new panel, we'll choose a suitable sky to replace and adjust the settings. Apply a mask on the sky group and use the gradient tool to adjust the feather of the sky. Next, use the selective color adjustment layer to enhance the colors. Finally, let's make the finishing touches with a curves adjustment to enhance the contrast and colors by adjusting the red, green, and blue curves. If you are still here, I will be so glad if you subscribe, as it encourages me to upload more videos. You can check out other videos about easy skin retouching, or even some tricks about photography with a low budget. Here is the before and after. You are all welcome. As always, may we meet again.